Hello, I am Kamruddin. I am a motivational speaker and author. I have written 8 motivational books, some fictions and some non-fictions. I have posted videos about table tennis, Urdu and English language, shero shairi and motivational topics. First, relax and deep breathe and practice mindfulness meditation. Go through your body beginning from toes. Relax every part of your body starting from toes to head. Inhale for the count of 5. Hold for the count of 3. And then exhale till your lungs are empty. Observe as a third person what is going on in your body. And when you are observing your body from inside, you are present in the moment. And when you are present in the moment, you are living a life. Because life exists in the present moment. Most of the time, we are worried about future. When you are relaxed, inhale love, joy, happiness, kindness, and exhale stress, anger, fear, and such type of negative emotions. Do not hinder them. Just observe how the thoughts are coming to your mind and leaving. Don't be obsessed with any thought. Keep your body relaxed. Keep your attention in your body. Bring your attention back to the present moment. And if you realize that your attention is drifting, bring your attention back in the present moment. When you are relaxed and your body is responding properly, then you should practice bringing your thought in the present moment. Take lesson from past, plan for future, but make your presence in the present moment only, because life exists here. Make your dwelling place in the present. Practice living in the present moment, shutting off from past and future. You may take lesson from past, you can plan for future, but most of the times you should try to live in the present moment. Repeat in your mind, this is the day which God has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. You may visit past for analyzing your guilt, for taking corrective action for those guilts. But don't remain there. As soon as you have visited past and analyzed your guilts, you should come back to the present moment. Make your dwelling place in the present moment, and life exists here. You should also learn how your friends and you have survived in the past and how you have coped with the problems of the past. But as soon as that work is done, come back to the present moment, because life exists here. If you analyze guilt of past and your past behavior, you will learn so many things. Analysis will help you see your guilt in a proper perspective, and you will be able to take benefit out of it. Find out what went wrong. If you are worried or you are feeling guilty about a person, you may forgive him. You may forgive yourself also, and you can seek forgiveness from others. There are a few affirmations which will help you remain in the present moment. One affirmation is, "Thank you, God. You woke me alive, active and joyful, and I am making the best of this day." Attention here and now. This is also a very good affirmation for being in the present. Attention here and now. Be present in this moment. Serenity prayer is also very helpful. God grant me serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. There is another affirmation: for every ailment under the sun, there is a remedy or there is none. If there is one, try to find it, and if there is none, do not mind it. Most of pain relates to past. If you are present in the moment, the pain of past will be reduced or eliminated. If you cannot take action now, accept it and put it on the back burner, and later on you can take it up when the time is appropriate. We waste a lot of energy on worrying and thinking about future. You can save a lot of energy by living in the day-tight compartment and being only in the present moment. Life exists in this moment. Visit future for planning only. Don't overstay there. As soon as the planning is done, you should come back in the present moment. Make your dwelling place in the present moment, because life exists here. Thank you for watching this and my other videos. Please press bell icon so that you do not miss my subsequent videos. If you want to ask something, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be glad to respond.